fly to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand.
I got a bed sheet. This was actually sent to me. It's floral, so like the very Pinterest vibes, cottage core. Look how adorable. It's doing work. Just look how cute the patterns are on this. Oh my gosh, look how cute my bed set is now. Oh my gosh. I recently came back from Asia and I'm just super excited to try all the random snacks that I got. And we're gonna start off with this. This is like, it's Quaker, which is American, but I've never seen this sold in the US. It's tammy, which is strawberry cherry. So it's like strawberry cherry flavor. Got last minute tickets to go see Pink. Everyone's wearing pink, but super black and white.
Is this a simulation?
Simulation.
On 5 a.m. to the radio pump, rest the rock and roll. Body crowd.
I decided to treat myself. It's my last treat myself. I got myself a projector. It was quite expensive. I'm such a homebody when I'm in New York, so I was like, might as well do something for myself when I'm here. And we're gonna set it up. I have a blank wardrobe wall. It may look small, but it's big enough to put something there. And my bed right now is right here. So I'm going to situate the projector here so that I can lay in bed while watching TV. And it's a smart projector, so I don't have to connect it to my computer or anything. Oh my gosh, it's so fancy that it comes with a cover. And what's so cool about it is that it can move around. You can adjust the angle of what you want the lens to be. Oh my gosh, it's set up. All we gotta do is project it.
2 simple options. How would you like to get started? Choose one.
Hello everyone, this is a reminder that
What are we doing today?
Or eat, poo, walk, buy, practically.
And museum.
Yeah, walk.
Walk. Okay. It smells so good. Oh my god, my room feels so complete right now. Look at my mirror. I finally have like a good full-length mirror. I'm so happy. I was debating whether or not to put Miffy over there or here, but she looked really awkward here, like too big, so she's just gonna stay over there. I literally can't believe I found it for $125. Normally mirrors this length is probably like 180 centimeters. This length you get for like $200. I got it for $125. $125. What a steal. I'm so happy about it. My parents are visiting this weekend, and so I'm just tidying up the house a little bit. But if you know me, I'm such a tea lover, and I got this tea storage box from Amazon because one of my friend's mom influenced me to get it, and I was like, wait, this is so cute. I love it. And you can put like tea down there too. All my tea has been up here, just in random stashes, super unorganized. We're at the Met. My father is taking a photo with this statue. Parents want to see the Statue of Liberty, so we're now heading over there, kind of, but we're kind of cheap, so we're gonna take the free Staten Island ferry, and then we'll see her on the way over.爸，你看我买新的
这什么？
录影，
这不错，这什么？这 laptop， 这个 video。
camcorder laptop。
啊，你要
对啊，这样子。
TikTok 可以用是吧？
对啊，它是那个广角的。
啊。 然后我们3个照相，照这个，哎，照这个，照这个。
转过来这个。灯光比较好。
OK， 要看。
OK。
I've been out all day. I have the whole cart to myself. That's kind of how late it is. It's like around 9 now. And I forced myself to go out tonight because one of my friends called me out, and I don't have friends in New York because he's a visiting friend. And I don't have many, so I'm like forcing myself out even though I walked 21,000 steps today. And I have not been home all day. Oh my god, I need to figure out how to find friends in New York because I think this is the only way and it's so sad. Let's go. How embarrassing. I'm embarrassed. But I had a good time. You can tell I had a good time. But I'm glad I forced myself out. Met a few people. But I guess like one of the main things that I've learned in living in New York for the past 6 months is that people want to be your friends. It's just that you have to force yourself out and a bit out of your comfort zone in order to find those friends that will stick and those friends that actually want to form a relationship with you rather than just surface level relationships. So I tend to want to go deeper. I want to talk about your trauma. I want to talk about your feelings. I want to talk about everything. I'm glad I'm slowly stepping out of my comfort zone, but I do realize that I have to take like a day or two or sometimes even like a week to really fully recover. But your real friends will understand.